welcome to Easy English, Advanced Level Lesson 2. I'm Emily and here's Parsley.
Yes, Parsley.
Hey.
Hello, Mr.
Hello,
Emily.
it's
How are
nice
you
to see you
doing?
again. I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Okay, so today in the lesson we're going to have a short conversation
Short conversation.
between a student and a teacher.
Very well.
Yes, so the student, for example, is having problems. Not this student, but this imaginary student.
An imaginary student.
Imaginary student. He's having problems, or she is having problems, and he says, "I don't understand this document. I feel frustrated." And we have an expression.
An expression.
An expression to say, "I don't understand. I am frustrated." You say in English, "I am stuck."
I am stuck.
Pronunciamos. Let's pronounce stuck.
Stuck.
Uck.
Uck.
Stuck.
Stuck.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck.
So we can say I'm stuck, or he is stuck, she is stuck.
She's stuck.
Mhm.
I'm stuck. They are stuck.
Yes, for example, everybody can be stuck.
Everybody's stuck.
So maybe in Spanish it would be like I am estancado. Yeah, estancado. So stuck.
Stuck.
And this person says, "I have to read an awful document."
I have to read an awful.
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 Awful is like terrible.
Awful. Terrible.
Awful. Terrible.
Very ugly.
Very ugly, very bad. Awful.
Document.
Yes. And you, the student, or this imaginary student, you say, "Teacher, I'm stuck."
Teacher, I'm stuck.
Okay. Now I am the teacher and I say, "First of all,
First of all,
don't call me teacher."
don't call me teacher.
Don't say teacher now.
Miss Emily, do I have to say teacher to a teacher?
You do not say teacher to a teacher, no.
Why not?
Why not? Well, I know in Spanish and other languages you say profe, profesor, professeur in French, but in English it's not very polite.
It's not very polite to say teacher to a teacher.
No. Teacher is the name of the profession, but you cannot say teacher to a teacher.
Never say teacher to a teacher.
Never say teacher to a teacher.
And I have one more question,
Yes.
Miss Emily.
Yes.
Can I say I'm stuck when I'm stuck in the toilet?
Well, I don't know if you want to say it, but
No.
we have a different word.
Oh, a different word. I want to know it.
Oh, well, I don't know. Maybe our visitors, our viewers at home will not like it.
Well, not like this word.
Well, you could say I'm constipated,
I'm constipated.
but maybe we'll just change the subject. Okay, change the subject.
Do not say I'm stuck when you're constipated.
Okay, so
And do not
Yes.
say a teacher to a
okay.
teacher.
No, do not say teacher to a teacher. In fact, when you're speaking to a teacher,
Teacher.
it depends. If you're at school, if you're a child, you would say Mr. and then the last name, or Mrs. and the last name,
Mr. Mamani.
Mr. Mamani, or in my case, Mrs. Walker.
Mrs. Walker.
And for a woman who you do not know, are they married, are they not married, remember Ms. Walker,
Ms. Walker. Ms.
whatever, Smith.
Ms.
Like, do you remember
Smith.
Petronilla? She's Smith. Ms.
Petronilla Smith.
Ms. Smith. But you do not say, another thing, I'm sorry, I should have told you before, it's not possible to say Miss Emily.
No. Oh,
You cannot.
I've always said Miss
I know,
Emily.
I don't correct you because it's not a big problem. But now we're in advanced level, I will say you do not say Miss and the first name.
I can't say Miss and the first name.
You can't say Miss and the first name. You always say Miss and the last name, the surname.
Miss Walker.
Miss
But
Walker.
it sounds very
Sounds very formal.
Yeah.
So, if you're, for example, in a
Very
class,
cold.
I know. If you're in a class and you're an adult and I'm an adult, we would just say Emily.
Emily.
You don't have to say Miss.
I like it. Emily.
So just say
Emily.
Yeah.
Hey,
Say,
Petronella.
yeah. So never miss and the first name.
Never misunderstand.
So that's a good we're learning.
And never stop when you're constipated.
Okay, very good. So do you remember the teacher said to the student, first of all?
First of all.
It's like the first thing is.
The first thing is.
Primero que todo, primero que nada.
First of all.
Pronounce again. First
First
of
of
all.
all.
First of all.
First of all.
Don't call me teacher.
Oh. Don't call me teacher.
You could say, don't call me Mr.
Mr. Mamani.
No, you could say, don't call me Mr. Parsley.
Don't call me Mr. Past.
Because
Parsley.
never Mr. with the first name. So like this, it's a good little expression to learn. So let's review the expressions we looked at today. How do we say, I don't understand, I am frustrated,
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck? How do you speak to the teacher?
Mrs. Emily.
Mrs. Emily, if you are at... No, Mrs.
No, I'm
No.
kidding.
Yes.
Mrs. Walker.
Mrs. Walker, if you are a child at school.
Mr. Mamani.
Mr. Mane, again, a child speaking to a teacher at school. And if we are adults, how do you speak to me?
Emily.
Just Emily, just their first name. And if you are in a situation where you want to say, the first thing is...
First of all.
First of all. Very
First
good.
of all, don't call me Mr. Mamani.
Yes, Mr. Mane is good. Don't call me Mr. Parsley.
Don't call me.
It's complicated,
Don't call me
isn't
Mr.
it?
Mamani either.
No, just parsley.
parsley.
Yeah, it's very good.
Okay, very
so
good.
That's good. Things to review, and it's
Yes.
important. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Okay.
We'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.